Hey guys, hope you all liked my last video. Today I will showing how to make Parotti. This recipe is from my dear mother-in-law. For this recipe, you'll be needing 3 cups of raw rice or parboiled rice or idli rice. You have to wash it thoroughly until you get the water clear. And then after that, you have to add 4 cups of water and soak it for 4 to 5 hours. After that, you have to grind it into a smooth paste like this. So it's totally fine to have small granules of rice in this batter. So to this batter, you will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Remember guys, it's not baking powder, it's just sodium bicarbonate. After adding 3 ingredients, then you have to mix the batter very well to dissolve all of it. This batter will be set aside to get fermented in room temperature for at least 24 hours. So if you are living in a country with very low temperature, then you get to ferment it for at least 48 hours. Yes, your batter should look something like this. This is how the batter looks after 24 hours. This batter is airy and fluffy now. Even after fermentation, you will notice tiny granules of rice, but it doesn't matter. We need half cup of coconut milk for this. So I'm adding half cup coconut and half cup water to the blender to get the coconut milk. Pour half cup thick coconut milk to this batter and mix well. Keep aside for at least an hour. Yes, I know that's a lot of hard work and time, but it's all worth it. While the batter rests aside for 1 hour, let's make the coconut milk syrup. For that, add half cup sugar and 2 cups of coconut milk and mix it well and let it boil. And the syrup will be ready. So it's time for the rotis to get cooked up. I'm doing it in a non-stick copper pan. I get a small ladle of batter and pour it into the pan and cook it lid closed until the surface looks hard. Meanwhile, don't forget to stir in the coconut milk syrup. Don't boil it or it might curdle sometimes. When the rotis are cooked up, you can pour the syrup into the rotis, let the rotis absorb the syrup, cut it and enjoy your bite. If you are not a sweet tooth, don't worry, there's a way for you to eat too. These rotis are mind-blowing with any kind of gravy you like. A perfectly cooked parotti will look like this inside. So guys, I hope you all will try these parottis at home. See you again with another recipe. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.